wasn't turned over to the defense. There is a very real possibility if you can show that. For example, usually in a post-conviction setting, it will happen when people have affidavits or if they are able to do scientific testing or something to show that, well, let's say, for example, there was a DNA test done. There was no DNA found with the individual's genetic material that was charged with a crime, but the state didn't turn that over, or something like that. Then those are situations in which, if you're able to uncover that information, you would be able to submit that. You'd be able to try to request for additional affidavits or factual things to say, listen, this was something that wasn't brought out in the court. This was something that wasn't provided to the other side, and because of that, it could require a reversal of the conviction if there was one. I presume that there was. It can be pretty involved, and it can be very narrow depending upon what the focus is. So a lot of it has to do with the character of the evidence and whether or not, from a legal standpoint, from a discovery standpoint, which is what each side has to provide to the other during the course of the litigation, whether or not it was actually, according to what the law says, would have been withheld. If it has been withheld, then that individual would have a constitutional challenge to the validity of the process, and then their due process rights would be violated, which would